Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about Singleton Bean Scope in Spring Framework. In Spring Framework, Bean Scope is used to decide which type of bean instance should be returned from the Spring container. You have a bean and you're registering with the Spring container. By default, it will be a single instance. Whenever you ask the Spring container, it's going to return you the same instance. That's by default, okay? But if you want a new instance, every time when you request the Spring container, you can mark it as a prototype. So these are the 5 types of bean scopes supported in Spring Framework: singleton, prototype, request, session, global session. Singleton means it will be a single instance per IOC container. Prototype means single instance, new bean instance each time when requested. Request means per HTTP request. Session means per HTTP session. Global session means global HTTP session, and these 3 are only applicable for web applications. By default, the scope is singleton. I have written a very simple example to demonstrate singleton scope. I have a bean called employee. Why I am calling it as a bean? Because I have marked it as component, and in the Java config file I'm scanning it. That means when I load this annotation config application context, it will scan these beans and register it as a bean in the Spring container. And now using scope annotation, I'm marking it as singleton. And here my standalone application, let me run this program. Let us see how exactly it works. For demo purpose, I'm setting explicitly some attribute so that when I request the next time, it's going to return me the same instance. So the first time when I'm asking the Spring container to give me the bean, okay, I got the bean, I'm printing it as null 0. Then again I'm setting some value, okay. Then again I'm asking the Spring container to give me the employee bean. Since it's of singleton type, I'll be getting the same bean. Can you see here? It's the same reference, okay. So how many times you call Spring container, it's going to give you the same reference for the employee, because it is marked as, the scope is marked as singleton. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.